Go ahead. Don't jump on her. Whoa. Tyler, wait. You gonna do a somersault? Okay. Watch this. Can you? You try. Ooh, good job. Over, your turn. Watch this, Emery, watch. Can you do a little hop? Go ahead, do a little hop. Wow! Can you guys do it at the same time? Can you guys hold hands and jump together?
I'm going to tell my mom.
I'm going to show her the video. Ready? Go. Good job.